everyone, and thank you for joining the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Strategy Quant X Algo Wizard to build momentum strategies and save it as a template to be used in Builder to generate thousands more variations of the same logic. So I'll see you inside. So today I'm going to show you how to build a momentum template in Strategy Quant X Algo Wizard. So if you remember last time we did a mean reversion strategy, and today we're going to do momentum strategy. Today we're going to do it a little bit differently. Let's click on New, use Simple Wizard. Simple Wizard uses basically a simple interface. You can always switch to the full, but let's use the simple. I want to show you something. First, I'm going to choose the data. The engine is TradeStation, and the symbol we're going to use the future that we imported in the last video. It was the crude oil. This is the futures market. It's daily time frame, and we have the data from 83 to 2020. I'm going to pick 2010 January 1st as the end date and leave the rest for out of sample. It's going to be a commission 2.5, slippage 1, and trading option. I'm going to trade 1 trade per day only, and we're going to do 1 contract only. Now, a simple momentum strategy is to buy when the close is higher than the close of 3 days ago. Now, in TradeStation, this 3 means 3 days ago. This means 1 bar ago. So if you click this and make it 0, that means the close of this bar is higher than the close of 3 bars ago. And when this is click, which is the short is symmetric to long, you can see that right away the program did the opposite. So in this case, the close 0 is lower than the close of 3 days ago. And we can do a simple exit, which is exit after, I don't know, 5 bars. And also let's put a profit target. And let's say exit after 1 ATR 20. ATR 20 is the average true range. So it will calculate the average true range of the last 20 bars and multiply it by 1. So if this is reached within 5 days, then it will exit. If not, then it will exit after 5 days. And again, you can see it's already picked it in the short sell short side. And we can run a full back test, and it's a losing strategy. So maybe if I increase the give it a little bit more time, and let's see what happens. Now it's profitable, but it's a huge drawdown. Okay, let me pick another momentum strategy. So what if I pick instead of the close, pick the high. So the high of today is bigger than the highest of the last 5 days. Okay, and again it's opposite. The low is smaller than the lowest 5 days. And I'm gonna leave the ATR and the bars, and let's see. So the other one had 962 trades and made 125,000. Let's see this one. It's almost same number of trades and made less money. Now, profit target, let's do 2 ATRs and see where that takes us. Okay, better. So maybe 3 ATRs. Let's try 4 ATRs. Maybe give it more time. Oh, And you can see I just gave it extra 5 days for the trade to work, and it got rid of all the drawdowns except this one. So okay, let's pick this as a template. So as you remember in the last video we did, in order to do this as a template, we need to go to setting, go to advanced, and switch it on. Now that we switch it on, it goes to the full wizard. Same thing, it's the high bigger than the highest of the 5 days and low, and then the long entry. And I'm going to remove these because I want to customize them. Short entry. And long exit, it's current symbol long, short exit, current symbol short. And this is short, current symbol, long, current symbol. Okay. So like before, I'm going to pick the high and the highest. Okay, so now I'm going to add the regime filter like we did in the mean reversion strategy, and we're going to do a random, okay, sorry, we have to pick the close. So close is bigger than the SMA, and we'll pick from 50 to 300, step 25, and the high we'll pick from 3 to 20, step 1. Of course, you can pick the high of the highest, year. So this is momentum, is like a trend following. So if you want long trend following systems, then you need to extend this value. So you start it from, let's say, if you want a minimum duration of a trade of a month, then you need to extend this a lot. I'm looking in this case for a short system, a short trend following or momentum system. So I'm picking 3 to 20. Even 20 is considered a little bit long, but still it's okay. And so if the high is the highest in last 3 to 20 days, and if the close, this is the regime filter, is bigger than this SMA, then that's my long entry. And we will reverse it for the short. So if the close is smaller than the SMA, and same, we're gonna do 50 to 300, step 25, and this is lower, and the low is lowest than 3 to 20, step 1. Okay, and okay, so bars, since order open, and it is bigger than, we'll do 1 to 20, step 1. And we had a profit target, so if the order profit target is bigger than let's say 500 to 5,000, step 250, or even let's do 10,000. And we'll do the same for the short, which is bars since order open. Actually, we might do the steps in 500 because 250 seems too overfitty. Okay, so we had the profit target from 500 to 10,000, step 500, or bar since entry. And that's it. And these are ORs. And we can add if the close for the long, if it dips below, this is like a stop loss, the SMA, and this would be a short SMA. So maybe 5 to 15, step 1. And this is OR, and same here, close. And by the way, close off today. Same here, close off today is bigger than SMA. So of the short signal, it's either, bar since entry, profit target, or our stop loss, which is if the close goes above a short SMA. Okay, so we can save this as a template. Okay, and now I'm going to save another one without this filter, which I can either delete it or do an OR. So I'm gonna delete it for now and delete this one, and I'm gonna delete the stop loss, and I'm gonna save it. So now when we go to builder, it's TradeStation engine, and it's CL investing. Day one, we disable everything. Ranking, we just want profitable strategies for testing, and there is no robustness testing. Money management, one contract, we're not going to touch this. Trading option, we're only trading one trade. Data is the same, but now we have multiple in sample out of sample, and we're going to build using the no stop loss in the beginning. I just loaded. Just go to builder and start. And we have I think 1,000, yeah, 1,000 strategies based on net profit. And you can see the multiple in sample out of sample. This feature, I requested it about a year ago, and they implemented like later on, maybe 6-7 months later. It's an excellent feature for in sample out of sample. As you can see, all of them seems to have made lots of money here because you can see that volatility has increased here. And because they are kind of breakout models, so they make more money in volatility regime. And if I pick this one, let's just for the sake of it, and let's stop the builder and retest, copy, keep original, and apply the config. So this one now, I'm suspecting that's going to do very well here because again we have high volatility. But anyway, let's go back here. Results. Run. Should be like 1 second. Yep. Oh, as I suspected. See, it made much more money now because of the volatility. So we tested it till 2010 and it kept on doing very well because of the volatility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got some use out of this video. As always, please subscribe to be notified of new content on this channel.